In this video, I'll show you how to instant transfer from Apple Pay to Cash App. The process is simple, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to move your Apple Cash balance to your Cash App account in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, open your Apple Wallet on your iPhone and check your Apple Cash balance. In this example, I'll demonstrate using a balance of $215, which is currently stored in my Apple Cash. To begin the transfer, tap the icon in the top right corner of your Apple Cash screen. From the list of options, select Transfer to Bank. Now you'll be asked to enter the amount you'd like to transfer. For demonstration purposes, I'll type in $2.15. Once you've entered the amount, tap Next. If you already have a bank account linked to your Apple Cash, you'll see it listed here. However, since we want to transfer the funds to Cash App, you'll need to add your Cash App bank account manually. To do this, tap Manage Bank Accounts. On this screen, you'll see your currently linked bank account. Apple Cash only allows one linked bank account at a time, so if you already have one connected, you'll need to remove it first. To remove it, select the account and tap Delete Bank Account Information. Once that's done, you'll now see an option to Add Bank Account. Tap on it to continue. At this point, Apple will ask you to enter your routing number and account number. These two numbers are required to link your Cash App account. So open the Cash App on your device and tap the $ icon at the bottom left corner of the home screen. If your balance is 0, you might see a small bank icon instead. Then select View Account and Routing Numbers. Here you'll find both your routing number and account number associated with your Cash App account. Copy these numbers carefully, then return to your Apple Wallet and paste them into the respective fields. Tap Next to confirm. Your Cash App account, which operates through Sutton Bank, will now be successfully linked to your Apple Cash. Next, go back to the transfer screen in your Apple Wallet. If needed, enter the amount you wish to transfer again and tap Next. You'll now see two transfer options: Instant Transfer and Standard Transfer. The Instant option moves your money immediately for a small fee, while the Standard Transfer is free but takes 1 to 3 business days to complete. For this demonstration, I'll choose the free Standard Transfer. Finally, tap Transfer to proceed. Apple will ask you to confirm the transaction. Just use the double-click feature on the side of your iPhone to verify. Once confirmed, your transaction will process, and your Apple Cash balance will be sent directly to your Cash App account. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from Apple Pay to Cash App.